techniques, the ability to shape and mold raw iron into functional and aesthetic pieces is not only rewarding but also opens up a host of creative and practical possibilities. Starting out with raw iron can be challenging, as beginners often face a steep learning curve. Initially, understanding the various techniques required to manipulate iron effectively, including heat, bend, and shape, without causing damage is essential. Safety precautions must also be observed, as working with raw iron poses risks if proper measures are not taken. This may entail wearing protective gear, such as gloves and goggles. Beginners often struggle selecting the right tools, with so many options available that it can be overwhelming to determine the essential tools. Additionally, the physical demands of working with raw iron can be intimidating for those new to manual labor. As you progress, you'll witness that it's not just physical strength that matters, but also technique and finesse. Developing the skills to manipulate raw iron requires a harmonious blend of knowledge, practice, and experimentation. Many beginners struggle understanding the properties of iron and how it reacts to different techniques. Having the right guidance and support can make a significant difference in your learning journey. Whether through online tutorials, workshops, or mentorship, access to experienced practitioners can help you overcome common pitfalls and accelerate your progress. There are several methods for manipulating raw iron, each with its unique benefits and challenges. One popular technique is forging, which involves heating the metal at high temperatures and shaping it by using a hammer and anvil. This method allows for high degrees of control and can create intricate designs. Another technique is bending, which involves using specialized tools to shape the metal into curved or angled forms. This method is often used in industry, but can also be used to create artistic pieces. Techniques like quenching and tempering can also be used to alter the properties of the metal, making it stronger or more flexible. Tools like hammers, anvils, tongs, and specialized tools like bending forks and swags are essential for manipulating raw iron effectively. Understanding how to use these tools safely and efficiently is crucial for achieving the desired results. Tips for effective practice include starting with small projects and gradually working your way up to more complex pieces. It's also essential to focus on developing your technique and building your strength and endurance. With consistent practice and dedication, you'll ultimately master the skills required to manipulate raw iron with confidence.